Now that you've studied the lesson, let's look at assessing your learning. By clicking Auto Questions, we can complete 3 different tasks. Assemble the object properly, identify and select objects, drag and match labels to their matching part, as we exit the lesson, we can receive statistics from our auto questions. Let's take a look at an animation-based lesson. Notice this drop-down menu to select different subtopics. Let's see thermal conductivity in action.
Thermal conductivity is heat transfer due to molecular interaction. The heat energy is
Up here, if we turn on Interactive, it creates in-lesson questions. Notice here and here, questions are at the end. Sometimes after a video, there's a multiple choice or a true-false question. These also take the form of a quiz, which generates student results. Such features help teachers engage students in class and give students interactive ways to demonstrate their learning.